Rupee has hit a record low of 66 rupees 0.08 paisa and shares slumped more than 600 points a day after Lok Sabha approved the plan to provide cheap grain to the poor, renewing doubts about the government's resolve to control spending ahead of elections next year. The alarm over the fiscal deficit eclipsed an announcement by Finance Minister P. Chidambaram that the government had indeed approved infrastructure projects worth 1.83 trillion rupees, a step aimed at reviving economic growth and shoring up investor confidence. And that's the way the rupee has moved today against the dollar. It's 66 rupees 0.24 paisa right now. This is how the rupee has traded, as we said, all day today. And the markets, as you can see, the Sensex is nearly 600 points down at closing this afternoon.
The rupee tumbled to an all-time intraday low of $66.06 on heavy month-end demand of the U.S. currency from importers and banks amid sharp fall in the local equity market. It, however, recovered slightly but was still down at 65.80 level against the dollar. Rupee is currently trading at 65.88 level against dollar. Persistent month-end dollar demand from importers, mainly oil refiners, amid sustained foreign capital outflows from equity market pulled down the rupee value against the dollar. On the other hand, significant surge of about 2.5% is being seen in precious metals. Silver is up by 1,500 rupee per kg and trading at 55,300 level. Gold is also trading with a gain of about 900 rupee and trading at 32,700 level.
As I said in Parliament, every emerging market is challenged today. So India is also challenged, and the impact is felt both on the equity market as well as the currency market. But I think we'll simply have to be patient, be firm, do whatever is required to be done, and the rupee will find its appropriate level. What I said a few days ago, I still maintain it. The rupee has overshot its true level. It's undervalued. Others have confirmed it. And we have to be patient, and we have to be firm, and we have to do what requires to be done.
There's also a political issue that has been taken up by the BJP. Let's listen in to some of those reactions.
आज देश जो है वो एक बहुत खतरनाक, मैं तो कहूँगा एक आर्थिक आपातकाल की स्थिति में खड़ा हो गया है। आज अर्थव्यवस्था संभाले नहीं संभल रही है। एक बार जो है वो ओबामा साहब जब भारत आए थे तो उन्होंने कहा था कि प्रधानमंत्री श्री मनमोहन सिंह जी हमारे जो है वो आर्थिक मामलों में गुरु हैं, और मैं अपने देश की अर्थव्यवस्था को ठीक करने के लिए उनसे ही राय और मशवरा करता हूं। अब गुरु तो यहीं रह गए और अमेरिका गुरु घंटाल बन गया। डॉलर मालामाल हो गया, रुपया कंगाल हो गया। वहां की अर्थव्यवस्था पूरी तरह से सर चढ़कर बोल रही है, मजबूत हो रही है। भारत की व्यवस्था जो है देश पर औंधे मुंह गिर रही है। तो ये कौन से गुरु ऐसे हैं कि तो दूसरे देशों की अर्थव्यवस्था को ठीक करते हैं और अपने देश की अर्थव्यवस्था को चौपट करते हैं।